Today we're looking at the top 5 on the Carnival Firenze.
Let's rock. Woo!
The Firenze is one of Carnival's newer ships. It launched in April of 2024. It is part of the Venice class, which includes the Venezia and the Firenze, and it's fun Italian style the whole time.
Number 5, the Lido deck.
Now the Lido deck on this ship is really cool. It's original compared to the other Carnival ships, except for the Venezia, because that's a sister ship, but this is where all the magic happens.
One of the things that makes it unique is that retractable roof that it has. For those rainy days, you still get to party at Hub Central.
Yeah, even if you're sailing during the winter and it's cold, you would never know because it feels like it's 75 degrees inside.
What else is there is Guy's Burgers. Guy's Burger Joint, yum yum. And they also have the Java Cafe where you can load up on that coffee so you could stay up all night.
And it has the Rococo bar, so if you love frozen drinks like margaritas, pina coladas.
And if you love huge coconuts, they serve those big coconut drinks, you know, like the pina colada, and it's in a giant coconut.
And it has a humongous screen for movie night, so you can actually watch a movie and not be freezing. You know how you're normally on the Lido deck and it's kind of windy and cold? Not here. Not here. There's not people wrapped up in towels like this or just kicking it in shorts, watching a movie with your family, so you're going to love that Lido deck. All right, real quick before we move on to the next one, it's
housekeeping time. Woo! We're going to announce the prize winners to those prizes that we picked up on the last cruise.
Now, you guys have already been notified by email if you're a winner, but we want to say congrats. So let's say congrats to Johnny B.
All right, Waylon.
Carol.
Joanne.
And Debbie. Congratulations.
Way to go, guys. Woo!
It's really easy to win a prize. If you haven't signed up already, just go to rockintheboat.club, put in your email address, you're entered to win, and as you can see, we give away prizes on a lot of our videos. Number 4 is the late night piano bar show.
Talk about risque.
Oh my God. Now, we've all been to piano bar shows on different cruises, but the late night one here is on a different level. They actually had the cruise director, Joey, shout out to Joey.
Woo! He was like our special guest and he was on it, my goodness.
He was just hanging out in the piano bar and the pianist called him up and we could not believe the words that were coming out of his mouth and
lots
the pianist.
of F-bombs and some good words for sure.
I mean, we can appreciate the fact that, you know, they're pretty loose. They had a good time. Everybody was singing along. Anybody that walked by was...
Yeah, you could not be a looky-loo.
Anybody that walked by was like, what did they just say? And
they would get sucked in.
Anytime someone would go up to leave the place, the pianist would stop and go, number 2 or number 1? She would like call him out. So those were pretty cool. So definitely every time we're on the Firenze, we're going to go to the late night comedy. Hey, the group cruise, we're going to be going to the late night comedy show. It's going to be one of our activities.
Yeah.
So if you love comedy, a little music, and something a little inappropriate, don't miss that show.
Number 3, the food.
Now, the food on Carnival varies from ship to ship as far as the quality goes. If you've been on Carnival, you know what we're talking about. But the Firenze is on a different level. Now, it's Italian inspired, obviously, but that makes it a good thing. The food is delicious.
Yes. The Michelangelo restaurant, for example, that David statue definitely opens up your appetite for sure.
Yeah, there's nothing more appetizing than a big nude man statue watching you while you eat.
They have a giant leaf covering that area, making it kids friendly.
It is. It's kid friendly. Now, Michelangelo is the main dining room, and I had a rib dish that was insane. Now, ribs I've had on Carnival, but these melted right off the bone.
Just fell right off the bone. He went to just grab it with the fork, and as you saw in the video, it just came right off the bone.
Probably the best meat dish I've had on a Carnival ship. She had some chowder, corn chowder.
Yes, and that was something different that I never had on a Carnival cruise ship before. Also, that staple shrimp cocktail.
Yeah, you can't miss with the shrimp cocktail. They usually have it as an appetizer on most Carnival ships, so we recommend the shrimp cocktail. Then also, this ship has Sea Dogs. Now, Sea Dogs it's like a hot dog stand. Now, this is right in the Lido marketplace. You can get different types of sausages. They also have that yummy, yummy pretzel bun if you want. And then all the toppings, you can go there. That's included. That's not an upcharge, so don't miss Sea Dogs. Also,
standard buffet with a bunch of different Italian style desserts and to die for.
Yeah, so we highly recommend, if you're looking for better food on a Carnival cruise, Firenze is where it's at. Number 2, the sports court. Now, the sports court is awesome. They have a bunch of different activities like cornhole, they have a running track, they have a basketball court, but they also have our favorite pastime, mini golf.
Yeah. And it was consequence time.
Melissa thought she'd be brave enough to challenge me to a consequence for mini golf.
Just because he was on the golf team in high school and stuff doesn't mean anything.
That's right. Tiger Woods got nothing on me. Not really. He beat me by 50 strokes. But we're going to roll a little bit of that clip. This is us playing mini golf for a consequence. Check it out. You're a little far forward. You're already trying to cheat?
Here I go. Wait.
Today, Junior.
All right. Jiminy Cricket.
Oh my God. Oh.
That was sweet. You know it was.
Oh. All right, you got this?
I think so. Oh, that was weird. That was so weird.
I'm tasting victory right now, and I'm visualizing Melissa on the dance floor at the 80s party. We are the champions, my friend.
Woo! Yes, you are. And yep, that's right, peeps. I be the loser today. And it's not such a bad consequence after all. I mean, who doesn't want to dance with Joey?
So for this song, all you need is a cat and bike dance with a big old smile on your face, giving it this.
And that is the perfect transition because number 1 is
the 80s rock and glow party.
Woo! You see that? You see that action, Joey?
What?
I can't even do the dance. How does he do it? Oh, there we go.
Yep, right there, like this, guys.
And you saw that I was representing Cobra Kai for life.
I had my Madonna look. What?
Madonna and Cobra Kai together. Is that a winner? Comment below. Now, if you've been on a Carnival cruise before, you know they have a lot of 80s parties, but this one just happened to be on a different level. They had the retractable roof closed.
It was perfect temperature inside.
It was. Everyone had foam sticks, and they were waving them around.
Yes.
Singing along to every single song at the top of their lungs. The Fun Squad, I mean...
They definitely had a lot to do with it because, wow, they got everybody just dancing their butts off.
And, as you saw... Again, Melissa danced with the cruise director.
I love it. I love it.
I don't know how many times this happened, but this time she had to dance because she lost the bet. But it doesn't matter. She still finds a way.
You know, I have a way to get to the front to make friends with all the dance squad.
Yeah,
I love dancing.
She has this gift. Like if she drives and we go somewhere to park. She wants to drive because if we go, let's say, the mall during Christmas time or something, you know, you're waiting hours to park. No, she's like, let me drive. As soon as we go down the aisle and she gets the spot, either the first or second spot right next to the building when it's totally packed. I don't know what it is.
It's called the law of attraction. You got to put yourself out there. You got to put it out there into the universe.
It's the secret.
Yes.
Shh. The Firenze is awesome, as you can see. If you choose this ship on your vacation, you're going to have a great time. Now, you can join us April 17th on the Firenze. We're going to have a huge party. We have tons of giveaways. We're going to have group games.
It's not too late.
And we're going to take over that ship, so we want you on there. Just go to rockingtheboat.club, get all the information, rockingtheboat.club/group cruises. And then we have one in September leaving from Florida, Orlando area. And then we have a bunch that are going to be coming up in 2026. But this is our first one in April, our very first one. You want to be part of it because anyone that joins our group cruise is going to get a special perk that other people aren't going to have because they chose to come on our group cruise. We're not going to reveal that now, but in due time. But until the next one, remember to keep
rocking the boat, baby.
Rock it.